Loading media and ribbon on a ZT111 printer with the peel option. Open the media door. Open the printhead. Slide the media guide out. Slide the media supply guide out. Place a roll of media on the media supply hanger. Push the media roll back. Feed the media under the dancer assembly, through the media sensor, and under the printhead. Push down the peel-off mechanism release lever to open the peel assembly. Extend the media approximately 18 inches or 500 millimeters outside of the printer. Remove the exposed labels so that only the liner remains. Feed the liner behind the peel assembly. Make sure that the end of the liner falls outside of the printer. Close the peel assembly using the peel-off mechanism release lever. Slide the media guide in. If you are using thermal transfer, place the ribbon on the ribbon supply spindle and push it back. Bring the ribbon under the printhead and wrap it around the take-up spindle. Then tie the ribbon into a knot. Finally, turn the ribbon take-up spindle to remove any ribbon slack. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Press pause to enable printing.